If your LG refrigerator stopped dispensing water but the ice maker still works, you likely have a frozen line or a faulty valve. The good news is that 85% of dispenser issues are caused by simple maintenance gaps you can fix yourself in minutes. Before we start, always unplug your refrigerator to ensure your safety while inspecting electrical components. Start with the basics by checking the control lock and ensuring your water filter is correctly installed and not past its prime. If the basics look good, we need to focus on the inlet valve, the dispenser switch, or a frozen line inside the door. To test for a frozen line, disconnect the water tube at the door hinge and see if water flows when the trigger is pressed. If the ice maker works but the water doesn't, it is likely a frozen line. If both fail, the inlet valve is the primary suspect. While a DIY valve replacement costs under $100, calling a pro can easily triple that price due to labor fees. To thaw a frozen line, you can use a hair dryer on low heat or carefully inject warm water into the line using a syringe. Prevent future clogs by changing your filter every 6 months and keeping your freezer temperature exactly at 0 degrees. Always listen for the clicking sound of the solenoid. It tells you if the electronics are actually reaching the valve. With these steps, your LG dispenser should be flowing again. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe.